Dyadic cubes are one of the fundamental geometric tools in harmonic analysis. Let's see how they work. 1 cube to 4 cubes to 16 cubes. A dyadic cube is recursively divided into smaller cubes. Every dyadic cube has a unique parent and a hierarchy of large ancestors. A remarkable property is that two dyadic cubes are either disjoint or one contains the other. Together, these cubes form the dyadic grid, providing a natural way to organize space across different scales. This simple structure lies at the heart of many ideas in harmonic analysis.